Hey everybody, how are you? I am doing fantastic. I hope you are too. As soon as I start vlogging, Ender starts. I don't know why. Why do you guys think he does that? Why do you think as soon as I turn on the camera and start vlogging, he starts to cry? Do you guys have any idea? Let me know in the comments below what you think. And what can I do? I mean, I hate scolding him, but it can be really annoying because sometimes it gets really like the louder, you know, like the longer I vlog, the louder he gets. It's so annoying. Anyway, he's out getting a drink of water. It was so funny earlier. Ooh, I gotta show you guys something. Anyway, so the boys were down. They're up now. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I didn't pick up the camera today. It's just one of those days, you know, like we didn't really have a whole lot going on. We did schoolwork. Organize their binders. They have a lot of work to put in their binders. Watched the first episode of Survivor. The new Survivor that just came out. It's these guys are all winners. Love it, love it, love it. And yeah, that was pretty much it. We haven't really done anything, but I'll tell you what, it's doing something outside. Let me take you guys outside and I'll show you what's going on. So those of you who might not know, we live in North Carolina. North Carolina is, you know, it's kind of right in between north and south. So, but we consider ourselves Southerners because we have pretty Southern weather. Oh my gosh, beautiful cardinal. So anyway, we're not known for our snow. And here it is, February something or other, and it's snowing out. Oh my gosh, it is snowing. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this is the first snow that we have seen in a really long time. We didn't really get any snow last year. I think we got like one small dusting of snow. Not sure what's going to happen. This stuff isn't sticking. It's not sticking, but we'll see as the day goes further and it gets colder. It quite possibly could stick. I don't know. But yeah, it is snowing. Oh my gosh. Ender, what do you think? Huh? He's not happy. He is not happy. Oh my gosh, I'm not happy either. I know, I'm smiling right now, but guys, I hate snow. Come on in here. I have to shut this so that Ender can't eat Charlie's food. Hey guys, have you seen it outside? Jesse and Jaden, have you seen it outside? Whoa, it is coming down. Where's the cat? Is she in or out? Sorry, I'm yelling. The boys are upstairs. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take you guys out my backyard. Let's see what's going on out here. Oh, you can hear it too. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It is snowing. See, oh, look at see, our hot tub is actually on because otherwise it'll freeze, so it runs itself every once in a while. But oh my gosh, look at this. Woohoo! Oh. Well, okay, it's kind of cool. I'm gonna just take it for what it is and enjoy it. Right, Ender? He's like, yeah, right, lady. I'm not enjoying this at all. Charlie, do you want to go out? Come on, let's go. Come on, you want to go out? Come on. Come on. And it's like, maybe it won't be a snow out front. I don't know. I gotta turn on my lights here. All right, who's ready to go out? Come on, you want to go out? Let's go. Oh boy, let's go out. You ready? 1, 2, 3. You ready? You ready? Go! Go! Charlie, you want to go out? You gonna go out? Guys, come on. Come on. Come on, we'll go out. Yeah, there you go. Good job. There you go. Yeah. I don't think so, Mama. Charlie, what about... Oh, there's the cat. Moss, you want to go out? Mossy, you want to go out? Oh, I'm going to shut this so she doesn't know it's snowing out. She has no idea. She was downstairs in the basement. Moss, hey, do you want to go out? Do you want to go outside? Moss? Yeah? Oh, hey, girl. Oh, I just vacuumed and look at that dog fur. It doesn't even... Hey, oh. Are we going out? Watch this, guys. This is going to be funny. All right, you ready? You ready? Go ahead. Go. Go. Go ahead. Go. No? Oh, my God. I don't know what it is about my animals. They're normally in such a hurry to go out. None of them want to leave the house. I have no idea why. So anyway, let's see how this works out. Hopefully we won't get too much, but we'll see. Oh, it's almost 4 o'clock. I'm going to turn the weather on, see what's going on, and see what their prediction is for this storm. Because this is probably, the weatherman said, this is probably going to be our one and only storm of the year. So, let me see if this channel comes in. No. One of our channels doesn't come in. Oh, no. All right. Anyway, I'm going to turn on the TV, figure out what's going on, and then I got to make the boys some dinner, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. It's starting to stick. The snow is ticking. We have snow. We have actual snow. Look at Ender. Ender, what are you doing? It's snowing out. Get over here. He's like peeing. Thanks. Ender! What happened? Oh no! Look at you! Oh no! You're full of snow! Charlie, do you want to go out? He's like, no. The cat, so the cat went out. She's like, yeah, no, I'm not staying out here. Let me in. What happened? Oh no. At least the patio is like a safe space. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh, what happened? It's snowing. It's snowing. Ender, you've got snow all over you. I do too. Here, ready? Shake. All right, so Moss thinks she wants to go out again. You ready? You going out? Go. She's like, I'm not really sure. Where are you going? What is this? This is her first time seeing snow. She didn't go outside last year. She's hiding. She didn't go out last year. We just started letting her out in the spring of last year. So she doesn't know what snow is. And she's like hiding in there. You guys can see her. Right? She's right there. Moss, what are you doing? You're hiding. Yeah? You coming in? Okay. Yep. She's like, yeah, no, I'm not going out there. What happened? It's crazy out there. It is. It's so crazy. It's crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. Guys, you've got to see the cat outside. She's outside in the snow. It's so funny. All right, so she's out here. Oh, I don't know if you guys... Oh. She's like walking around. She's like, what the heck? Oh, she's going to hide in the bushes now. But she was like, I tried to get the phone so I could show you her. She's hiding now. She does not like this. But look at this, guys. We've got major snowage going on here. Moss, where are you? Moss, where'd you go? Where are you? I don't know where she went. She probably went back inside. She was not happy though. I wish I would have had my phone. I didn't know she was going to come out though. Charlie, what happened? Oh, can you see him? What happened, Charlie? It's snowing out. Is it snowing? Oops, sorry. Is it snowing out? Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's go. So yeah, we ended up getting quite a bit of snow, guys. Whew. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Let me put this away. Oh. Okay. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, Charlie. You can do it. Come on, Charlie. You can do it. You can't do it, can you? Come on, buddy. No, you can't. You can't do it. Oh. It's kind of slushy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, whoa. You okay? He does this thing where he, as soon as when you pick him up, oh no, what happened? He flips himself out of your hands. So he does it all the time. What happened? Did you go outside? Did you go in the snow? Yes, you did. Did you go in the snow? So they've got the weather on. They're gonna have it on for until it melts. It's so funny. What happened? What happened? Are you okay? I'm sorry. I didn't know you were gonna flip out of my hands. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. It's kind of fun though, because we know that it's not gonna last long. So we had some birds out on the patio here, getting away from the snow. I mean, it's a nice protected area. They could come in here if they wanted to, but we also have a cat, so I think they also know that too. So, but yeah, this is kind of fun. You know, it's not like we get a ton of snow, so I can enjoy it while we can, right? Hey.
Hey.
I like your shirt.
Yeah, winter is coming.
It came.
It did. It's here.
It came and it left a big mess behind.
Good.
Yeah. Hey, bud. Hey, got your PJs on already? You gonna go outside and look at the snow? Is it even still here?
Yeah, it's here.
It's still here? Oh. See if you can get your cat in.
Oh, is she outside still?
She is.
Oh, no.
Ooh, it's cold.
Oh, there she is. I see her. She's right there.
Hi, Moss. Moss. Look at her. She's like, ew. Oh. I think I got that on vlog too. I think I did. All right, Jesse, I dare you. Lift up your pajama pants so you don't get them. Give me that. Lift up your pajama pants. There you go.
Ooh, it's really cold.
Yeah, you gotta go fast. You gotta go really fast.
Wait. I'm gonna run out there. I'm gonna run out and then back in.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's winter. It's winter. Okay. Oh. My feet. Oh, they're cold.
Well, yeah.
That was cool. I'll do it
geez.
again.
In the driveway itself.
What's
Ender.
the matter, Ender?
Grab some.
You gonna build a snowman?
I didn't know it was all gross.
Oh yeah, you
Now
might
my
not
legs are all
You
gross.
might not want to go out in that middle part over there because Ender just be
Moss, what happened?
Oh, I got it on my pants.
Oh no. Oh, snow.
I wanted to grab some. I gotta grab some. Oh, my feet. No, I can't do it. My feet are
Can't do
numb.
it.
Hi, Mom.
Charlie, do you need to go out? He went out. He's not going out again. Better?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's still flying too.
Huh?
There's like tiny little flurries, but it is still coming down too.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought it was all done.
Is it gonna do more snow?
Does anybody know where Jaden is?
He was just down here.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, he was.
You alright?
I just banged my shoes up. This looks like there's so much snow, but there's not.
Wow. Jaden!
Yeah, that's a zoomed out version of it there. So.
Yeah. Still got a nice little snowstorm. It's pretty.
Yeah.
It'll be gone by tomorrow, you think?
Oh yeah. Probably. I don't know. So, hey Google, what's the weather in Raleigh tomorrow?
In Raleigh tomorrow, it'll be sunny with a high of 40 and a low of 22.
Yeah. Okay.
It'll melt.
Hey, girl. She's not happy with this current situation out there. She's so funny because she went out the back door. She came back. She went out the front door. She came back. She went out the back door. She came back. She's just like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this stuff.
You don't like the snow? Whoa.
Whoa.
I can't find the ball that we got. And took it. And
Oh yeah.
I was playing with it today, but
Oh.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, this morning you guys were playing with it because I was like, shh, because Jason was still sleeping. It should be in here.
And where's your toy?
And we have a Nerf box we haven't even opened yet. Hey Jay, what are you doing, bud? Oh, there he is. I hear him. There he is. There's my JJ. Hi, honey bunny with the meatball eyes. How are you?
Good.
Yo, it's me, Mr. Winter Lover 123 on Tumblies. It's always on Tumblr. Okay, hi. What is that?
You use Tumblr a lot, don't you?
What is that?
Maybe a booger.
No, it's like
It's boogers.
frosting.
Oh. Oh, it could be from my Oreo. I have special gluten-free
That's what it
Oreos.
looks like, yeah.
Lick it.
No.
But I have gluten-free Oreos and they're actually pretty good. They're very chocolatey, so I can only eat like one, but they're really good. What are you doing? All right, guys. Anyway, that's our day.
Yep.
Oh, wish we were there.
Yep.
Over there. It looks like a puzzle. Anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. That was our day. You have a good day? Yeah, I had a good day. Tomorrow's Friday? Already? Whoa.
No,
Yes.
it's Wednesday or something.
No, tomorrow's Friday.
No, tomorrow's Monday.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yay, school day.
Tomorrow's Wednesday, right?
Tomorrow's Friday.
See, you thought it was Wednesday also.
No.
Okay, Google.
No, really.
What's today?
It is Thursday, the 20th of February 2020.
Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. It's Friday. Friday.
That's weird. I
Friday.
didn't know it's Friday.
You have 1,000,000 diamonds?
Yeah.
A lot of diamonds.
Oh, you're level 999.
That's a nice level, right?
And it's back up, right?
Yeah.
Last time I saw you were like 890.
Last time I saw you were at 700, and that was like today.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Your
That was today.
snowstorm
No.
going.
Yeah, today I saw you at 890 when I was playing.
Yesterday.
All right, guys, hey.
Okay. Make sure you liked the video if you liked the video. Subscribe if you like the channel, and click the bell if you're okay. Just click the bell. There is one.
a beard yet.
So guys, just kidding. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Jay.